Most people don't struggle with money because they're lazy. They struggle because their money is scattered everywhere. Too many accounts, too many bills, too many decisions. But here's the crazy part. You only need 3 bank accounts to build real wealth, and most people never even heard this simple system. So let me ask you, if your money feels messy or out of control, what would happen if you had a plan that was so clear your entire life got easier overnight? Today, I'm going to show you that plan. So right now, we're breaking down the 3 bank account system, also known as the wealth blueprint. It's simple, it works at any income level, and it helps people get ahead even when money feels tight. By the end of this video, you'll know what each account does, why the system works fast, how it reduces stress, how to set it up in under an hour, and how to use it to grow wealth in 2026. Let's build a system that finally makes your money make sense. Here's the truth people don't talk about. Most of the time, people don't have a money problem. They have a money organization problem. If your money is in 5 different accounts, if bills come out from random places, if you don't know where your money goes, that's not lack of discipline, that's lack of structure. And without structure, money leaks away fast. People try budgeting, they try tracking, they try cutting every expense, but nothing sticks because the system itself is broken. Think about it. You can't control what you can't see. And when your money is everywhere, you see nothing. This is why people feel stuck. They get paid, the money disappears. The bills hit, and their stress rises. They try to save, and then life gets in the way. They want to invest, but they have no money left. They try to get ahead, then something knocks them back. It feels like running on a treadmill with no finish line. When you use the 3 bank account system, everything changes. Your money becomes organized, clean, simple, and predictable. That's how people build wealth. Not overnight, but with a system that never breaks. All right, so now let's break down the system. These are the only 3 accounts you need. Account number 1, the bills account. This is the heart of the system. Every bill you have, from rent, groceries, car insurance, subscriptions, phone, utilities, all come from this one account only. Nothing else touches this account. Here's why this works. When all your bills come from one place, you always know how much you need every month, how much is safe to spend, whether you're falling behind, whether you're ahead, and whether you have room to grow. Most people mix bills and spending. This creates chaos. One month you're fine, the next month you're overdrafting. Not because you're bad with money, but it's because your money is not separated. The bill account fixes that instantly. Now the second account will be the spending account. This is like your life money. Food out, gas, fun, clothes, coffee, gifts, all of that comes from this account. You transfer a set amount into this account every week or every 2 weeks. This creates automatic control. You can't overspend because you only spend what's in this account. No budgeting, no guilt, no long spreadsheets, just simple, clear spending. And the best part, if this account gets low, your bills are still safe. This one change alone has helped people stop living paycheck to paycheck. All right, and now the third account is the wealth account. This is the account that builds your future. This account has one job, which is to grow. This is where your savings, emergency fund, and investments come from. You never spend from this account unless it's for emergency fund, investing, growing money, building stability, or buying assets. This account is your future you account. Even if you start with $10 a month, you are building wealth. Small amounts add up when they have a place to grow. Stay with me right here because the next part is where most people finally get money. The 3 accounts alone are not enough. It's the flow between them that makes you powerful. Let me show you how money should actually move. Here's the exact flow wealthy people use. First, money comes into the bills account. Second, a set amount moves into your spending account. Third, a small amount moves into your wealth account. Fourth, your wealth account grows quietly. Fifth, your spending account keeps your life simple. Sixth, your bills account stays protected. And seventh, you never have to guess again. This is why the system is so powerful. You remove stress, you remove confusion, you remove chaos, and you remove guilt. When the money is organized, you make better decisions. When money is clear, you move faster. And when money is simple, wealth grows naturally. This is the part that transforms your life. Most money stress comes from emotions. Fear that you can't pay bills. Guilt when you spend. Anxiety about the future. Shame about your mistakes. And confusion about where your money goes. The 3 bank account system removes the emotion and replaces it with simple math. If the spending account is low, you stop spending. If the bills account is full, you're safe. If the wealth account is growing, you're building your future. You don't have to think, you don't have to force yourself, you don't have to feel bad. The system protects you. This is money mastery at the simplest level. Now, let's go deeper. A lot of people set up the accounts, but they don't know how to use them year after year. The next part is how you turn this into real wealth in 2026 and beyond. 2026 is a year of higher costs, higher uncertainty, and higher opportunity. People who organize their money will win. People who don't will fall behind. Here's how to master this system in 2026. Step 1. Know your real monthly number. List every bill. Add it up. This is your bills account minimum. Most people don't know their real number, and that's why they stay stressed. Step 2. Automate income flow. Set up automatic transfers. Bills to spending. Bills to wealth automation builds wealth quietly. Step 3. Freeze lifestyle creep. Your spending account stays the same unless your income grows by at least 20%. This is how people get rich. They grow wealth, not lifestyle. Step 4. Build the emergency fund first. Your wealth account's first job is safety. 3 months of expenses equals stability. 6 months equals freedom. Step 5. Start investing small. Even $25 or $50 per month builds a foundation. Small, consistent investing beats large, random investing. Step 6. Review your flow every 90 days. Every 3 months, adjust your spending and wealth amounts. Never touch the bills account unless something changes. Step 7. Prepare for big moments. Home buying, moving, kids, debt payoff all become easier when your money is organized. This system makes big goals simple. The reason this system works is because it trains your brain to behave like someone who builds wealth. Wealthy people don't try to control everything. They build systems that control things for them. This system teaches you how to think long term, how to use money the right way, how to separate emotional spending from smart spending, how to create space in your life, how to build safety, and how to grow on purpose. When your money is organized, your life becomes organized. You make better choices without stress. There's another layer to this 3-account system that most people never understand. This part is the difference between people who try the system and people who actually build wealth with it. And it's simple. The system changes how you think about money, not just how you move money. When you break your money into 3 clear accounts, something important happens. You stop seeing money as one big stressful pile, and you start seeing money as a tool with different jobs. This shift is huge. Most people mix all their money together, and that makes every decision feel heavy. They feel scared to spend, scared to save, scared to invest because they can't tell which dollars are for living now and which dollars are for building the future. With the 3-account setup, the confusion disappears. Your bills account tells you these dollars are keeping your life running. Your spending account tells you these dollars are okay to use. Your wealth account tells you these dollars are for your future only. Once your mind understands that each dollar has a job, money becomes calmer. You stop guessing, you stop stressing, you stop reacting, and you start planning. This is where the real change begins. Here's the quiet power of separation. When money is separated, your brain works better. Decisions get easier. You stop mixing wants with needs. You stop buying from emotional pressure. You stop worrying if you're allowed to spend because the spending account gives you permission. You stop doubting your future because the wealth account shows slow but real progress. Separation creates clarity. Clarity creates confidence, and confidence creates growth. Even if you only have a little money right now, the structure helps you think like someone who has a lot. And when your thinking changes, your outcomes follow. This is why wealthy people use separate accounts. Not because they're fancy, not because they're special, but because it works. Now, the real reason people lose money, right? Most people don't lose money because they make bad choices. They lose money because their choices get mixed together. A bill hits the wrong account and now they're short for groceries. A phone purchase pulls from the same account as rent. A surprise expense kills the savings they were trying to grow. They feel like they're always catching up even when they're trying hard. The 3-account system stops this from happening. You turn chaos into order. You turn stress into direction. You turn, I hope this works, into, I know what's going on. And here's a small example that changes everything. Imagine someone gets paid $2,000. Without the system, that money sits in one account. They spend a little, bills hit, more spending, more bills. Suddenly, the account is empty. They don't know where the money went. They don't know how next month will go. They feel lost. Now imagine that same $2,000 landing in the system. Bills account gets exactly what it needs. Spending account gets a fixed weekly amount. Wealth account gets a small automatic deposit. Every dollar is in the right place. Every job is handled. Every part of their life becomes predictable. Same money, different outcome, different life. This is the power of structure. Here's the emotional shift you don't expect. Something else happens too. People feel lighter. They sleep better. They stop checking their bank account 10 times a day. They stop feeling scared when a bill is due. They stop guessing how much they can spend. They stop feeling guilty for having fun. This system doesn't just organize your money, it organizes your mind. And when your mind is clear, wealth grows faster because you're no longer fighting stress every day. You're finally building from a place of control. People think money gives them control, but it's the opposite. Control gives you money. When your money has a home, when your money has direction, when your money has rules, you become someone who always has options. Options create freedom, and freedom creates wealth. The 3-account system is the foundation of that freedom. These 3 accounts, bills, spending, and wealth, are the simplest and strongest way to organize your money. They give you clarity, control, and confidence. And once your money is organized, everything else becomes easier. Saving, investing, growing. Now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Make sure to click on this video right here. It is what YouTube thinks is the best video for you to watch right now. And thank you for watching.